Hey guys, this is Byron and Kerry. We are realtors in Lewisburg, West Virginia, and we're going to do a Lewisburg real estate market update, give you some stats on how the market is in Lewisburg, and walk you through some homes that we've taken a tour of this week.
All right. So in Lewisburg, there's 20 homes available. The average price per square foot is 172. We're currently have about 92 days on market. And if you're not familiar with that term, that's the term from the day it first got listed until the day of closing. So that whole period of time. And we had a few price reductions going down
Yep.
by $20,000. So
Yeah. And I think that's kind of normal during this time of the year, right?
yeah, absolutely. We are coming off, I've been saying that buyers are coming out of winter hibernation and sellers too. So
Yep.
things will start picking up soon. But we're still in February. So
Yep. And interest rates have dropped about a percentage point. So I don't know about you, but I've gotten a lot more calls this week from people wanting to view houses.
yes,
So hopefully that's going to push the prices up a bit for us here in Lewisburg and get some more demand going.
absolutely. We need some more inventory. So talking about inventory, we saw three fabulous homes. And we're going to show you those now, walk you through those. So the first one, these are all in Lewisburg. We're focusing just on Lewisburg this week. So this first one is on Holt Lane. It is a two-story with an unfinished basement. So really single story with unfinished basement home. It has the garage in the rear, great backyard if you have children, places to play. Inside, you want to talk about inside, Byron?
Yeah, it's a great inside, hardwood floors, nice open concept. You know, you can have the kitchen there and the place to eat's right next to it. Big living room. It's a great house. I live 4 houses from this. I can tell you the neighborhood's fantastic. Kids are always biking and running around. I mean, great house to me.
Yeah. The other thing I liked about this house is they took a smaller bedroom and made it into a master or a primary suite, sorry. And so they made a big closet for a home of this age and remodeled the bathroom. So you have a primary suite, and downstairs you could certainly finish it out and have even more use space.
Yeah. Now, if I lived there, I would convert that basement to a kids' room
Mm-hmm.
because, you know, having a party, send the kids down there, big TV. From there, they can go outside and inside all night long. I don't know if you have kids, but when that door is right next to where you're hanging out with grown-ups, it's open and slammed. You won't hear that. It'll be down in the basement.
Awesome. All right.
Yep.
Then the next house is on Lafayette. It's a new listing. This is a split level house, all brick, and they have so when you go upstairs, it is open concept living and dining room, and then the kitchen is in its own room. But I think with some few construction things, you could easily probably open that up. There's a eating area in the kitchen, which is always nice. And they've done some upgrades to the kitchen, some new tile and such. One of my favorite things, we'll scroll through very quickly, is actually outside. So it's a two-level deck here. The top level comes off of the dining room, and then downstairs is a whole nother living
Yep.
space. So there's a bedroom, bathroom, living area down there. You could turn that into a kitchen as well, the back space. So if you are a multi-generational family, or if you just want to get away from your teens,
Yep.
stick them in the basement,
Yep.
whatever you need. It's a really great house and fantastic location.
Hmm.
Very quick stroll to downtown
Yeah.
Lewisburg.
This is the Graham Edition, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The Graham Edition. It feels like you're nowhere near downtown, but it's maybe a 5-minute walk. It's awesome. That kitchen nook is one of my favorite things. You know, just a small little place to eat, which is not the dining room table. And that porch, I just leave the door open. It connects to the dining room right next to the kitchen. I leave that screen door open all the time. Be walking in and out, having coffee in the morning.
Great
And
home.
it's reduced. Prices
Yeah,
come down a bit. So
price come down a little bit. Good price point for location. And then last but certainly not least is this home on Jefferson
mm,
Street. If you've ever driven on 219, if you're from the area, you have passed the house. A lot of people have said, "Oh, that's the pink porch house,"
yep.
but the pink referring to is just the pillows and the decor. So it is a great house. You actually enter. You can enter from 219, or there's a drive in the back, which is very convenient. So you're not coming in and out off of 219. The homeowners, it's built in 1908, but as you'll see as we scroll through, you can see those pink elements, as I was saying. As we scroll through, they have modernized it to modern day living. So they completely remodeled the kitchen. They put a primary bedroom and a full bath downstairs.
Yep.
So you could have complete first floor living if you need that. Look how nice this kitchen is. So many great design details of a
Yep.
nook. I'll keep scrolling. These bedrooms, there's a huge walk-in closet. They took one of the front rooms. In older homes, there's lots of smaller rooms, so they really maximize those rooms for today's living. A nice seating area, and then
Yeah, this is my favorite. The this bathtub. I think it has jets in it, if I
uh-huh,
recall. Maybe we can
it's in
see
the
a.
center of the room.
It
So
is. I would live in there. I love my baths.
So washer dryer, and then upstairs, which is where these rooms are that we're looking at now. There's a bathroom upstairs, a
Oh, yeah,
bedroom.
that
There's
blue bedroom is just fantastic.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And you can see some of the elements that they've done. They've converted an old dresser to vanity. I mean, just so many cool design
And
details.
wasn't the owner an interior designer as well?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you
So
can tell. And then my other favorite thing is this little porch off to the
yeah,
side.
let's look at that.
It's cozy.
Yes. So it's like a secret
It
entrance.
is.
You
Yeah.
go down a spiral staircase from upstairs, or you can enter it from the first level too. So this home had a price reduction too. It's a great house. I mean, even more fabulous location.
Yep.
Completely done for you.
Yeah. And I feel like this is the time to buy because right when interest rates drop a little more, which they're expected to, and then the season gets more into spring, I might pop back up.
Yeah.
Yeah. But thank you for joining us on our market update. We'll be here every week showing you houses we've seen and kind of some of the stats going on in Lewisburg.